The world is watching the headlines, but the bond market is watching the diplomacy. It is a wild ride out there right now, and the stakes for your mortgage could not be higher. Before we dive into the math, drop a comment and subscribe for your daily DFW Mortgage Edge. Okay, let's get into it. Over the last 24 hours, we have seen a flood of headlines that honestly feel like they are arguing with each other. One minute there is a ceasefire in the Iran conflict. The next minute there is no ceasefire. We hear negotiations are on, then we hear they are off. It is enough to give any investor whiplash. But here is where things got interesting for your wallet. As far as the rate market is concerned, the noise does not matter as much as the general appearance of a shift toward diplomacy from the US side. That change in tone was enough to keep oil prices down, preserving a majority of that big drop we saw at the start of the week. Now, fast forward to the afternoon. Bond yields, which correlate with mortgage rates, have been doing even better than oil prices today. We are seeing a real rally in the MBS market today. The net effect of all this movement, we are looking at the lowest average mortgage rates we have seen since last Thursday. But let's keep it real and look at the bigger picture. We are not back to the good old days just yet. Even with today's improvement, these rates are still sharply higher than what we saw back in February. In fact, apart from the last few days, we are still looking at the highest levels since early September 2025. That is a significant jump that every buyer needs to account for in their monthly budget. If you are looking at homes in Frisco, McKinney, or Prosper, this little window of relief is a breath of fresh air. The DFW market moves fast, and these tiny dips in yields can make a big difference in your monthly payment when you are bidding on that dream home. North Texas buyers are feeling the squeeze, so every basis point counts. So I have to ask, with the market this volatile and headlines changing by the hour, are you locking your rate today, or are you waiting for another drop? Check your options at loansbyvi.com. Comment, like, and subscribe for more mortgage market updates. See you in the next one.